For this recipe, you'll need 400 milliliters of warm water and 8 grams of fresh yeast. Crumble the yeast into the water and stir to dissolve it. Add a teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast. It'll help it wake up. Next, add 500 grams of 00 flour. Mix it until it starts coming together. Now, add 2 teaspoons of fine salt and knead until the salt's fully worked into the dough. Next, add 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Knead it one more time. Clean the bowl thoroughly as you go. Now, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the dough rest for 3 hours. Meanwhile, open the cornflakes and add half into a bowl. Now do the same with the breadcrumbs. Let's take a look at our dough after 1 hour compared to 3 hours. Look at this dough. It's a real pleasure to work with. I'm curious. Let me know in the comments if you like it. After greasing your hands with a little oil, knead again for 30 seconds and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we need to separate the dough into 2 equal parts. 1 half will be placed into the cornflakes ball, and the other half we will use right now. Sprinkle some breadcrumbs on your work surface and tip the dough out. Starting from the center, use your hands to gently spread the dough out. I'll add a bit more breadcrumbs to fully cover it all. There you go, our first dough is ready. Now preheat your oil and place the first dough. I bet you've got pizza-loving friends. Share this video with them. You'll make their day. Here's the first pizza, soft, crispy, and fragrant. As for the toppings on the first pizza, I'll be using mortadella, stracciatella cheese, and pistachio nuts. Now, let's do the same with the second one, but this time we are using cornflakes. Take it out and spread it out, press it gently, and add more cornflakes where needed. Now let's fry the second one. Look at that golden crust, it's so inviting. This pizza deserves a like, friends. Try this bresaola, rocket, and parmesan combo. It's truly special with a unique flavor. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Hit that button, like the video, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next post. Let me know in the comments what you think of this recipe. Bye-bye for now, and see you next time.